For this video, we are checking out 5 newly added Apple Watch apps that I'm sure everybody will enjoy. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic. Man, it's been a while since we last done one of these videos where I go ahead and search the App Store on the Apple Watch and find some new great applications that really do enhance your overall Apple Watch experience. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and these are the newly added amazing Apple Watch apps that you definitely want to know about. Let's go ahead and get started. So as previously stated, these applications I'm going to go ahead and feature are newly added apps, and a shocking new app that got added to the App Store finally is Google Maps. Yes, you heard me right. Google Maps is now allowed on the Apple Watch, or they decided to finally make an app for the Apple Watch, but it doesn't work entirely like how it does on Apple Maps. For instance, Apple Maps will give you an overview of the map and cool cards and such, and other additional features like the cycle thing that's coming out for WatchOS 7. Well, when you launch the Google Maps app, what it basically does, it allows you to have up to 5 pre-saved shortcuts. As you see here, from your current location, it'll tell you the ETA time it'll take you to get to that destination. So these can be edited on the actual iPhone app. If you tap edit and you have the Google Maps launch on your iPhone, you can actually enter the address and label them uniquely. So let's say, for example, you get off from work and you want to quickly just go on your Apple Watch and set directions for your vehicle's navigation. If you have Apple CarPlay or something as an example, you can just tap on it and destination is already set, literally a tap away, and you have like little cards here so you can see the directions where to turn and the distance you are from that turn. But besides that, it does not show like an overview head or anything like that displayed on the Apple Watch. You have to go on your iPhone or your vehicle Apple CarPlay to see that. Now the second app is called Battery Plus, and it does cost $1.99, but it has a really clean layout and it's really worth it because it's pretty accurate most of the time from my experience compared to some others. But this application actually works really well, especially on WatchOS 6. WatchOS 7 can be somewhat buggy, but it's not officially out yet, so I'm going to cut them some slack since WatchOS 7 isn't really released yet. But when you download this app, what this app allows you to do, if you actually launch the native app on the iPhone, or the full iPhone app I mean first, here you can actually adjust certain things. Now this app actually does tell you that it refreshes every 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. You have these choices to choose from, how often you want it to refresh, and down here in notifications you can also control what type of notifications you want to receive on your Apple Watch. So this will actually give you a push notification once your iPhone is fully charged. You can also enable it so it also gives you a 50% notification or a low 25% below notification, so you can quickly charge your iPhone. That's basically the quick loadout of the application itself here on the iPhone. But on the Apple Watch, it actually has like a nice complication right here that you can see and monitor your iPhone battery life percentage during the refresh rate that you selected. That's basically all this application allows you to do, is just monitor your iPhone battery life. So in case you gotta leave somewhere, you can always check right here and quickly plug in your iPhone so that your device is always ready. Now this third app is a mixture of 2 applications I want to quickly show you. The first one that actually works is called Watch Notes, and what this basically allows you to do is create custom messages for your watch face. Right now this works really well with the utility watch face, but I'm pretty sure if you take the time you might be able to find another compatible watch face, but this is the one that I found the most useful one that works. So how I like to use this complication is if there's an important event or something important that I have to constantly remember to do, by actually putting the sentence right here, I'm always able to look at it each time I look at my watch. Now this is perfect in case you have like a test or something, maybe you want to cheat. I guess you can do this technically, you could do it with this watch face, but just giving you some creative ideas how you could utilize this complication. And then now this next one is called Watch Face Notes, and I would replace that one with this one, but for some reason it's not working. This Note Face Watch Face allows you to stack up to 3 short sentences, so you can actually stack 3 personal notes right here on your watch face. But unfortunately, I tried it with my Series 5 Apple Watch running WatchOS 6 with the monitor complication. It wasn't able to work, and I also tried it with my WatchOS 7 Series 5 Apple Watch and it still wouldn't work. So this is something to do with the developer side of the application. So if the developer is watching this, please fix this, because this application I see a lot of potential, especially since it's free to download unlike the previous one. So until that one works, check out Watch Notes. It will get the job done even though it's just one sentence. Now for this 4th app, it does cost a little bit of money, but it's really worth it in my opinion. In the past there was an application that was a complication like this that will actually display not just the time but also the date right there on the small corner of your Apple Watch watch face. Now Time Peak allows you to do that, but when you click on it, it gives you more tools. You have the choice if you want to make it into a 12-hour format. You could let it to show date or just the time by itself, or you could let it enable that could show you the date and the day of the week. But besides that, I think this application is worth downloading, especially when you take in consideration that it frees up the space of 2 complications because it puts it all in one corner instead of taking up extra space. And lastly, for number 5, this is another visual complication one that really does allow you to customize your watch face a bit more, take things to a whole nother level. It's called Image with a Z, Visual Watch Faces, and what this basically allows you to do is put images in some of these complications. So if you have like a blank complication that's literally not doing anything, like this large one in modular as an example, you can actually customize it either by a rainbow effect or import your own personal image. By launching the iPhone app, you can actually import a photo on top, you can add a caption or take a photo right there on the spot. But if we import it, it'll show you the little box. You could pinch and zoom, frame it how you like it, hit the little press arrow icon to like save it to the Apple Watch, and in roughly around 60 seconds or so, was they have estimated, it should be updated for your Apple Watch, so you can change it to that complication and you'll see the image right there. The images that they have pre-made as an example shows you some fine example of how you could easily get creative to really personalize your Apple Watch experience. Besides that, that was the latest videos of some useful applications that I found that are actually worth sharing with you guys. Links to everything will be linked in the video description down below, including the apps and this Apple Watch band, in case you were curious on where you could find it. Well, that was really fun. Hope everybody enjoyed. If you'd like to see the complete playlist of other amazing applications to check out for the Apple Watch, I have the complete playlist right over there. And then this video over here has just a bunch of awesome accessories available for your Series Apple Watch that's also compatible for even the older models, so like the Series 3 all the way down to the Series 0, that body style. You should be able to find some awesome accessories for it. Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you all in the next one. See ya.